Hey, welcome back to my channel AindrilazDNA. In this video, I will show you how to make a hair mask at home very easily. So if you want more positivity and lifestyle videos and DIY hacks videos like this, make sure you hit the bell icon and do subscribe to my channel. If your hair is looking little damaged and parched like this, don't worry. Try this magical DIY hair mask. This nourishing treatment works on all hair types. It is a great hydrating treatment that provides nourishment and shine to your hair without weighing down your strands. All you need is eggs, honey, and apple cider vinegar or ACV. Here I am using S Botanical apple cider vinegar. You may buy any of the brand you may like because this is not a sponsored video, and if you want this I will provide link on the description box. Apple cider vinegar is a pH balancer for your hair. It adds moisture to the dry and damaged hair, helps with dry and itchy scalp, prevents split ends and breakage. Make sure that your hair is properly combed. So, combine all three ingredients in a small bowl. You may double or half the recipe according to your hair's length. Okay? So finally you will finish up like this, more or less thick product. Let's apply this mask. I have long hair, so I need more. So leave this pack at least for 30 to 40 minutes and wash it with shampoo. I will see you after doing my shampoo and making my hair dry. So I have dried my hair after bathing. You can see how much shine it is giving to my hair after using that mask. So you must try it, okay? Hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Stay connected with me in my Instagram page. So bye bye.